to find the power, okay, the power of 5 of the product of these two complex numbers. So first, we are going to find the product of the complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Okay, so what we do is we multiply the modulus, so 3 times Z2, and then we are going to add the arguments of Z1, 3 pi over 4, plus the argument of Z2, 11 pi over 6. Okay, so it follows that the argument for sine should be the same. So that's what we're going to have. All right, and then next is we are going to simplify. So we have 3 Z2 and this one. If we multiply, right, so we multiply, it should be 62 pi over 24, okay, which is also the same for sine. So 62 pi over 24 and put I. All right, and then I'm going to further simplify this. I should have 31 over 12 pi. Okay, so similarly, okay, the argument for sine is also 31 over 12 pi, okay, and then put I, because that will be the imaginary part. All right, so what we have here is the product. And then we're going to raise the product, okay, Z1 and Z2, raise the product to the power of 5. All right, so raise the modulus to the power of 5, okay, using the DeMoivre's theorem. And then multiply the argument by 5. All right, so this is what we have. If we have got the argument for cosine, then we get the argument for sine as well, right? Because they should have exactly the same argument. Okay, so this is what we have. And then you can leave it as it is, okay, 3 2 power 5, or you can calculate it. Calculating this should give you 972 square root of 2, and calculating this you should have, okay, 5 and 35 makes 155 over 12 plus sine 155 pi over 12i. Okay, and then if because we have to leave the argument in polar form, the complex number, the power in polar form with the argument in radian, okay, and our argument must be within 1 revolution only, so we have to simplify that, okay, 155 pi over 12, simplify to 11 pi over 12i. Alright, to make sure that the argument is within this domain, okay, between 0 and 2 pi. So how do we do that? It is simply a matter of, okay, subtracting. I think that should be 12 pi, okay, 12 rounds. So it gives you 11 pi over 12. Alright, so this is the powers of the product.